Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Shoutout po tayo. Shoutout po kay Sean Joseph Mir ng Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna. Kay Cindy Marie Teresa Angla ng SNSU. Sorry di ko alam ano ito. Hehe. Kay Rosemary Virnes ng Cagayan State University. Kay Vince Sabado ng MMSU. Sorry di ko alam ano ito. Hehe. At kay Jezreel Cuaton ng SNSU. Comment na lang sa baba kung ano yung MMSU at SNSU Masters. Mula po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, maraming salamat po. God bless Masters.
Question number 1. Drain taps on internal service pipework should be located blank. Letter A, immediately above the stop valve. Letter B, immediately below the stop valve. Letter C, a minimum of 300 mm above the stop valve. Letter D, a drain tap should not be fitted to the internal service pipe. The answer is letter A, immediately above the stop valve. Question number 2. What information should be left with the customer after installation of a new boiler? Letter A, DIY servicing information. Letter B, boiler installation template. Letter C, material delivery note. Letter D, user instructions. The answer is letter D, user instructions. Question number 3. What type of screw would be used to fix a radiator bracket to a concrete block wall? Letter A, steel countersunk. Letter B, self-tapping. Letter C, mirror screw. Letter D, chipboard screw. The answer is letter A, steel countersunk. Question number 4. Which of the following actions should be taken first in the case of a minor burn? Letter A, wash with soap and water. Letter B, cool the area of the burn with clean cold water. Letter C, apply antiseptic cream to the burn. Letter D, cover the burn with a clean cloth. The answer is letter B, cool the area of the burn with clean cold water. Question number 5. A circular safety sign with a red band enclosing a crossed-out symbol with a white background is a blank. Letter A, warning sign. Letter B, mandatory sign. Letter C, prohibition sign. Letter D, safe condition sign. The answer is letter C, prohibition sign. Question number 6. On tower scaffolds, which of the following ratios of base to height would ensure it to be most stable for safe working? Letter A, 1 to 4. Letter B, 1 to 5. Letter C, 1 to 3. Letter D, 1 to 8. The answer is letter C, 1 to 3. Question number 7. The two long sections of a ladder, which hold the rungs together, are known as blank. Letter A, tie rods. Letter B, stiles. Letter C, toe boards. Letter D, scaffold boards. The answer is letter B, stiles. Question number 8. Which of the following examples shows the correct unit measurements? Letter A, pressure, grams. Letter B, weight, joules. Letter C, mass, grams. Letter D, mass, newtons. The answer is letter C, mass, grams. Question number 9. In the diagram shown, at which point is the pressure the greatest? Letter A, point A. Letter B, point B. Letter C, point C. Letter D, all points have the same pressure. The answer is letter C, point C. Question number 10. Standard tool for establishing the nature of an obstruction, letter A, funnel auger, letter B, hook auger, letter C, drop head auger, letter D, straight auger. The answer is, letter D, straight auger. Question number 11. A tool that consists of a rubber suction cup attached to a handle, letter A, plumber's friend, letter B, hand spinner, letter C, drop head auger, letter D, flue brush. The answer is, letter A, plumber's friend. Question number 12. Drainage fittings shall not be made of blank, letter A, stainless steel, letter B, lead, letter C, ABS or PVC, letter D, brass. The answer is, letter B, lead. Question number 13. When supporting horizontal piping 5 inches in diameter with hangers, a blank diameter rod shall be used, letter A, 3/8 inch, letter B, 3/4 inch, letter C, 5/8 inch, letter D, 1/2 inch. The answer is, letter D, 1/2 inch. Question number 14. Cast iron soil pipe, installed vertically, shall be supported at its base and blank, letter A, 10-foot intervals, letter B, every other story, letter C, 5-foot intervals, letter D, each floor not to exceed 15 feet. The answer is, letter D, each floor not to exceed 15 feet. Question number 15. Plastic and copper piping penetrating framing members to within blank of the exposed framing shall be protected by steel nail plates, letter A, 1 inch, letter B, 1 1/2 inches, letter C, 2 inches, letter D, 1/2 inch. The answer is, letter A, 1 inch. Question number 16. If you know that the water in a domestic property is free from dissolved salts such as calcium carbonate and sulfates, you would expect the water to be blank, letter A, hard, letter B, soft, letter C, neutral, letter D, mineral rich. The answer is, letter B, soft. Question number 17. Frictional resistance within a cold water pipework system is influenced most by the blank, letter A, pipework material, letter B, pipework diameter, letter C, number of elbows in the pipework, letter D, number of bends in the pipework. The answer is, letter C, number of elbows in the pipework. Question number 18. Which of the following is the correct formula for fuse rating, letter A, volts times ohms equals watts, letter B, volts times amps equals ohms, letter C, volts divided by watts equals amps, letter D, watts divided by volts equals amps. The answer is, letter D, watts divided by volts equals amps. Question number 19. Because of structural conditions, a 4-inch building drain is installed with a slope of 1/8 inch per foot. This installation will result in blank, letter A, an increased allowance in fixture unit loading, letter B, increased scouring and cleansing action, letter C, separation of solids and liquids, letter D, a reduction in fixture unit loading allowance. The answer is, letter D, a reduction in fixture unit loading allowance. Question number 20. the number of years of experience of actual practice in plumbing trade in order to be a member of board in Master Plumber. Letter A, 2, letter B, 3, letter C, 5, letter D, 10. The answer is letter C, 5. Question number 21. In an atmospheric vented hot water system, the temperature of hot water should be stored at not less than blank. Letter A, 40 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 50 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 55 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 60 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter D, 60 degrees Celsius. Question number 22. In 19th century, this specific law was fully recognized by the government in relation to plumbing. Letter A, Jones Law in 1907. Letter B, Johannes Law in 1936. Letter C, Gates Law in 1925. Letter D, Tidings-McDuffie Law 1934. The answer is letter A, Jones Law in 1907. Question number 23. Sanitation Code of the Philippines. Letter A, PD 1067. Letter B, PD 9275. Letter C, PD 1185. Letter D, PD 856. The answer is letter D, PD 856. Question number 24. According to the BP 344, what is the maximum recommended slope of ramps for PWD? Letter A, 1:5. Letter B, 1:12. Letter C, 1:21. Letter D, 1:14. The answer is letter B, 1:12. Question number 25. The purpose of pipework insulation material is to blank. Letter A, prevent the water in the pipe from freezing in cold weather. Letter B, protect the pipework and fittings from accidental damage. Letter C, retain the heat energy in the pipe to reduce the risk of freezing. Letter D, insulate the pipework should it come into contact with a live cable. The answer is letter D, insulate the pipework should it come into contact with a live cable.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.